Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and today is mustard day. Does the joke get old? Not with me. I don't know about you. What do I mean it's mustard day? I'm totally kidding. It's better than saying sauerkraut day, though, huh? Okay, it's ketchup day. Not the ketchup you put on your hot dogs. It's a day every month we do this where it could be we're releasing products that you might have, that you might have missed, and maybe you didn't even know about, but they're brand new on our website at this moment. So what am I talking about? For example, one of the items, this is it. And again, once this one is gone, it's gone forever. So just a heads up. It is our Rainbow and Sunshine Collection paper pad. What? I know. So this one has a lot of fun of the older designs, but look at how colorful. Oh my gosh, I love that rainbow. I miss that rainbow. I'm getting that rainbow out today. Okay, look at the fun puffy stars. Oh, the ice cream. It tells you what dies to use. If you do not have them, you have options. Number one, you can buy the dies if you want, or you could just cut them out, right? You could use scissors. Scissors are a bad word because we always have dies, but it's okay. Stars. Oh, drinks. Oh my goodness, look how fun. Stars, pockets. Remember the pocket set? I love that one. So this one is going to have you remember some of the older sets that you have and get them out and use them. Now, rest assured, remember, if you've purchased one of these die sets on our website and you're not sure if you did, you can always go to our website and try to buy it again. Our website will tell you, are you sure you want those dinosaur pudgy dies? You already bought them. And then you can say yes or no. So it will remind you if you've already purchased a stamp or die set. Isn't that handy? I know. What other company does that? Hello. Okay. Then, so you stock up on the paper pads. Once they're gone forever. Number two, a long time ago, we had a class using a Peacock. And it sold out. The class was great. Well, we're no longer offering the class because if you bought that, you're over there, you have the class, you're done. But we're offering the art, the stamps and the dies and the stencil for sale. No class included, okay? It's just the stamps and dies. But we needed to bring this out because that peacock is stunningly gorgeous. Look at what that peacock looks like, right? Okay, stunningly gorgeous. And you're like, Stephanie, I love that, but there is no way I'm going to get out my markers and color a little tiny piece, every single little tiny feather. Oh, me either, my friends. Me either. So guess what? This is so cool. There is a stencil set. This is like the first stencil we ever did that matched our stamps. 4 different pieces, and they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll know which order to do them in for your stamp set. Ding, ding, ding. Isn't that awesome? But it is sold with these dies. Now, these dies, of course, coordinate with the stamp set, inside and outside dies. You're also getting a mini Slimline gatefold die. What? I know. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Okay. Get it now. Get it now. Last but not least, we are also releasing the charming Flip It die set. Now, I don't have the sample to show you because it's on its way to us. Don't worry. It's here now. When you see this, it'll be here. But this is the charming Flip It. I released this one 100 years ago with Sizzix when I used to design for them. It's my art. I own it. So now we're releasing it through the Stamps of Life. So this is the Flip It. It does come with the word love right there. Isn't that awesome? Comes with this fun shape here. It comes with the layering dies that you've known to love with the Stamps of Life. And look how fun it is. Now, this is not to be confused with the charming stand up. This is the stand up. This is the Flip It. This is the one that flips, okay? And I have some fun samples to show you on these. So here's another one, love. On this one, you guys, you're die cutting and gluing. That's all you're doing. You're die cutting, gluing, and going. Boom. Here's another one, die cut, glue, done. Die cut, glue, done. But you're getting a card that wows, but all you're doing is die cutting and gluing. Wah-ha, wah-ha. Look at how fun this one is. Yes, it comes with that fun border set, which is absolutely awesome. And here's another cute one. Look how cute that is. Oh, this one has a hidden panel. Ding, ding, ding. Look how fun that is. awesome, right? Now, let's look at some of the gatefold cards that you could get with the Peacock set. Hello, let's open this up. Open it up. It's a secret message. Look, there's my little peacock. And then this is a cool die. This does not come in the set, but it is on our website. It is the card stand where you can, let's see if I can do this upside down, backwards. You can, dun, 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 stand it up. Get out. It's on our website. Card stand is what it's called. But look, it just stands up a card because this card is so awesome and so beautiful and so cool, but it's really not going to stand for display. It's just not. But there's these special little slots on there. You can just drop it in and there, now it stands. I know, card stand. Search it on our website. Then we have this. Oh, shut up. Shut up. Look at this. Look at the glitter on there. Is that just like amazingly gorgeous? Open it up. Oh, it's taped for photography. Sorry, taped for photography. There we go. Look at that. To my beautiful friend. Are you kidding? That's nuts. That is so gorgeous. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Yes, that stamp does come in the stamp set right there. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's open this up. Oh, ready? Oh, come on, come on. There we go. Let's open it up. Another card stand. Yes. Look at our, oh, it's our Wishing Well stamp set. I missed that one. We haven't seen that one in a long time. Ready? Wait for it. We are going to stand it up. Stand it up. Stand. Oh, come on. It's hard to do backwards. There we go. Ta-da! It's like magic. Magic! Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now, what if you're like, Stephanie, that's awesome, but I can't open the card. Okay, fine. Watch. Do it this way. Oops, sorry. Okay, so you're going to set up your stand, right? Oh, stand up. Set up your stand, and you can go like, wait for it, wait for it. There we go. Open, close. I'm sorry. Open, closed, stand it up. Do whatever you want. Card stand. Go check that one out. But this is the mini Slimline Peacock. Go check it out. stampsoflife.com. So much fun. I love it. And maybe you need one of these, right? Or two or three or yeah. I'll see you there. stampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.